You're going to come down. Where should we sit? You've got a lot of stuff in here, haven't you? Like sitting in a box. Okay. Well, hey Peggy. Peggy Sue. I know. You would move that. Oops. No, not interested. Not today. Okay. Now what's this all about? We've got two different litter boxes. You're just bored. Yeah? What's this? Look at that. Tiny girl. Come on. And come sit up here. And come sit. Hey Peg. Peggy Sue. Oh. Chat, chat, chat. Oh, so soft. Lovely. Oh, smoochy. Pussycat. Oh. You're just bored, aren't you? Yes. These clever cats. There's not much room there, is there? Why don't you come over here? It's a bit crowded in here, isn't it?